Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. I keep itching my nose. My cat has been in here when she's not supposed to. She's a white, fluffy cat, so it's like I keep itching. Anywho, if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the April 2019 Glossybox. Now, I had this for a while, but better late than never. The only thing I did was literally just now. This is why I always open these boxes before I start my video, because if you can see, I had an awful time getting this open. So this is $21 a month, and this is more geared to skincare. Occasionally you might get one or maybe two if you're lucky makeup products, but it's mainly skincare. I do have a link I will leave down below if you want to check it out. So the first thing is this $100 voucher for wine, and then we have this box that usually comes in pink. So do I have one around? No, I was going to show you. So I actually love this color. So it says a glossy, and I have, oh yeah, let me see what version. I always say version, variation. I have variation. Where'd it be? Oh, I must have fell right here. It fell off of my thing. Variation 1, right here it says V1. So this is the April 2019. All right, let's open her up. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. So what is this? $50 gift card to Bright Cellars, a wine thing. All right, and this comes really pretty packaged. So let's open her up and see. Let's open this puppy up. All right, so you get a brochure, and then you open it up and it tells you everything that you have in there. And does it give prices? Yeah, it gives prices. So, all right, has a little sticker right there, if you guys can see. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. All right. The first two things I'm going to pull out because it's a shampoo and conditioner. This is by John Masters Organics, and these are pretty good, decent sizes. I love when they give you shampoo and conditioner. When I first started getting subscription boxes a couple years ago, they always did one or the other. Not with Glossybox, but usually with a lot of subscriptions, you would just get either a conditioner or you would get a shampoo, and it's like, I want to try both of them together. So let's read up a little bit about this. So these are full size, 8 ounces. 8 ounces would be, full size will be $19. This is 2 ounces, but the full size is 8 ounces, which would be $19. All right, shampoo and conditioner. Oh, what is this? These are these ad libs on the back. Oh my God. See if you can see it because it's so light. Do you guys remember that back in the day, it would say like verb, noun, adjective, you know, person, place, and then you would just pick one and then you would read it and it would like sound so funny. Oh, I can't wait to do that. All right, the next thing is this Juice Beauty Cream Shadow Stick. So this looks like it is full size. Right there. And how much is this? So $22. I hope it's not like a bronzy color. We're always getting like copper or bronze. Let's see. That's what it looks like. I'm doing this during the day, so I'm a natural sunlight, so I don't know if there's a glare. Yep. All right, so I'm not even going to swatch that. I will definitely put this in a future giveaway because I know I won't use this. So I wish they'd give us like a color, you know? All right, so we got that. And the rest is like all tiny, tiny samples, which I'm very disappointed in. I mean, lately they've been killing it with stuff. So these are Kiehl's Skin Hydrator. Looks like we got 2 right there. Let's see if you can see the one. It's focusing. I just ordered a camera, so it came in today. I'll show you the box when I get done doing it. So I figure in a couple days, bear with these focus problems if there's any today. And then I'll figure it out. So hopefully by the weekend I could do like a video and do my tutorials and everything else on the camera. All right, so this is a Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. These are, okay, so full size will be 50 mils. These are 5 mils, and full size would be $38. And it is A moisturizer is a great subtle glow for bare-faced look. We also recommend wearing it under foundation for a luminous look. So let's open one up. I'm going to put this one right here in my future giveaway pile, so I know I didn't mess with that one. All right, so let's see. A lot of these cream highlighters I do. When I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll just wear these cream highlighters and kind of like just tap it in here to make it look like a natural glow. This is very subtle. Like it did say it was subtle. Right there. I don't even know if you can see that. It just looks like a little shine. You guys can see. So I don't think I would wear this on top of foundation because it has a lot of oil too. It will definitely take your foundation off. And I think if you wore this under your foundation, you wouldn't be able to see it because it's so subtle. So this would look gorgeous, like if you have a bare face, like it says. All right, then we have, this is a lip balm plumper right there. Oh, come on in, get it together. Right there. All right, so this is BYBI, by Beauty, I don't know, a plumper natural lip balm. This is 0.35 ounce, so this is full size, and it's $14, and it says, a lip balm that plumps, moisturizes, and gives a glossy look all day. Yes, please. By Lip Plumper does it all. This is sugarcane, eco-friendly tube, and 100% all-natural ingredients. Okay, good tip. For super moisturized and effortless look, we suggest swiping this lip product all over a matte lip color for hydration and shine. So let's put it over my liquid lipstick and see. So there we go. I'm going to put a little bit on my finger. Come on. Okay, so that's what it looks like, right? Let's see. Oh, it does put shine. And of course it would take a little bit of my lipstick off, but that looks not, I can feel the mint. I forgot this was a plumper. This would probably look so pretty without any lipstick. Oh my God, okay, so let's see. I feel it. All right, and this is a Derma E product. This is an overnight peel. Right there. Let's see if you guys can see. And so full size is 2 ounces. This is a 7 mils. Full size would be $18.98. And let's read up a little about it. So it says, this peel would take over the night shift and even out your skin's complexion while you are sound asleep. Okay. Derma E believes that skin health can be visibly improved through the right combination of potent vitamins, wholesale nutrients, and exceptional ingredients. I agree with that. With its vegan-friendly, non-abrasive alpha hydroxy acids, you can rest easy knowing your skin is in good hands. Tip: everything works better together. A light exfoliation session or microabrasion before a surface peel removes extra dead skin cells and helps the peel penetrate deeper into the skin without being too harsh. And I do agree with that. I exfoliate almost every other night with the Dr. Brandt microabrasion. It comes in a black tube. It's like $79. It's expensive, but I do enjoy it. And then it is true that you go in with these peel-offs. A lot of people have reactions. You have sensitive skin. I would definitely test area. A lot of times what people do is, this is right here where you bend your arm. This is like one of the most sensitive spots on your body. If you ever want to do a test run to see how your skin reacts, test it there. If you have irritation here, then you might have irritation on your face. So always test there. Never like test it on your face. Like do it there. All right. So what do we think of this box? So we have this Derma E peel. All right, which I enjoy because I like this type of stuff, but I know not everybody can use it. So that's the hard with skincare boxes because everybody has different types of skin, you know, and everybody's skin reacts differently. So it's kind of hard when you get that. So I really recommend K-Beauty. Really, I really do. A K-Beauty subscription. All right, so we have this. We have this like lip plumper, which now I don't feel any of that burning. It kind of went away. So I really don't think it's like a plumper. But it definitely puts some gloss to it, like some shine. So I'm not hating on that. We got this really pretty subtle glow, which I think this will be perfect like on days you don't have makeup. And then we got this shampoo and conditioner, which I'm glad we got a shampoo and conditioner. And then we got this cream shadow stick, which I don't tend to wear. And plus, I wish it was like more color, like a purple, blue, green, you know, something like that. Even an orange, than always like cream or bronze. So I don't know how I feel about this because it is $21. You know, we have BoxyCharm that's $21. We have Allure that's $15 that I think is better. I know it has hits and misses. Lately, the boxes have been really, really good. So we'll see what next month brings. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this box? Do you think that this is worth it? I don't think it's worth the $21 this month. But let me know what you guys think. I will continue to pay for this because, like I said, it has more hits than misses, in my opinion. But we shall see what May brings. All right, guys, that's everything. Make sure you like this video because it helps me out. Like this video if you like unboxings. And like this video if you're ready for my 30,000 subscriber giveaway. It's coming up soon, so make sure you like this video. I do have a couple giveaways going on still right now. I will leave it down in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. You only have to be subscribed to my channel, like that video, and write a comment on that video. That's all you have to do. And that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to check more of me out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.